Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 20, 2023 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong October 20, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Friday, October 20, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 20, 2023, Friday. Tonight's jackpot SMH of Mega Lotto 645 is 20 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Friday, October 20, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of October 20, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.